Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to enable autofill password in Google account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, open my phone settings. Let's go to take you out. So having opened up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for users and accounts. So click on that. That's going to take you right here. At this point here, you have two different Google accounts. So the first Google here is Google Password Manager. Followed by the second Google here is Google Autofill Content. What you need to do is to simply click on Google Autofill Content. It's going to take you right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button. It's as simple as that. So with that, you have enabled autofill password in your Google account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.